Hi guys. In recent years, the world of e-commerce has witnessed a revolutionary business model known as dropshipping. This innovative approach has transformed how entrepreneurs start and manage their online store, eliminating the need for inventory management, upfront investment, and complex logistics. In this video, we will explore the concept of dropshipping, its benefit and challenging, and its evolving role in the modern business landscape. Let's begin. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not give any physical product in stock. Instead, the seller partners with supplier or wholesaler who handle the inventory and shipment process. When a customer places an order on the seller online store, the seller transfers the order detail on to the supplier who then ship the product directly to the customer. As a result, the seller does not have to handle the product directly, allowing them to focus on marketing, customer services, and driving sales. The benefit of dropshipping: low startup cost. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Traditional retail model requires significant upfront investment in inventory, warehouses, and fulfillment infrastructure. With dropshipping, entrepreneurs can launch an online store with minimal financial risk since they only purchase product from supplier after receiving order from customer. Flexibility and scalability. Dropshipping offers tremendous flexibility of business owners since they do not need to manage inventory. Entrepreneurs can experiment with a wide range of products without the risk of being stuck with unsold items. Additionally, dropshipping allows for easy scaling as the business grows with supplier handling the increasing volume of order. Wide product range. Dropshipping enables sellers to offer a vast area of product without the need for physical storage space. Entrepreneurs can create their product catalog from multiple suppliers, providing customers with a diverse selection to choose from. Location independence. The nature of dropshipping enable entrepreneurs to run their business from anywhere with an internet connection. This freedom allows for a flexible lifestyle and the opportunity to tap into global market. Challenging and strategies for success. Intense competition. Dropshipping has gained popularity, leading to increased competition in various niches. To stand out, entrepreneurs must focus on identifying unique product offering, developing strong branding, and providing exceptional customer service. Supplier reliability. Relying on supplier for product quality and timely shipping can be challenging. Thoroughly researching and vetting suppliers, establishing clear communication channel, and regularly monitoring their performance can mitigate these risks. Profit margin and pricing. Since the seller does have the control over the product cost, pricing become a critical factor in dropshipping. Balancing competitive price while maintaining healthy profit margin require carefully consideration and ongoing optimization. Customer experiences. At the face of the business, seller must prioritize providing a positive customer experiences. This including efficient order processing, timely and accurate communication, and promptly resolving any issue. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more amazing content.